Welcome to 154 Howard Crescent in Orangeville, Ontario. This home has 5 major aspects to it that make it a smoking deal. For instance, it's a freehold townhome at $475,000. Where can you find that? Really? Here, that's it. In addition to that, it is also a turnkey home, finished from top to bottom, brand new carpet, freshly painted, and all you need to do is move in. Another thing, a professionally finished basement, perfect for your rec space. There's no neighbors backing off of the backyard. And yet, of course, this home is in the perfect location, right off Highway 9 and Highway 10, perfect for commuters. Enough talk with me. Let's go take a look and check it out. So what makes this house turnkey? Well, for instance, everything is more or less ready to go. The flooring's done, both upstairs and downstairs. The kitchen's in great working order. All the windows and doors have been replaced. This home really is ready for you to move in. So don't hesitate, come take a look. It's not very often that your first home can have 2 walk-in closets. Well, at 154 Howard, that dream just came true. Living in Orangeville can sometimes be cold in the winter, okay? But the nice thing about having this gorgeously professionally finished basement with curved ceilings, no less, is you have a gorgeous gas fireplace so you can stay nice and cozy with the family watching a nice movie. Paying maintenance fees really eats into the equity growth of your home when you're owning real estate. So why not get into a freehold right away? At $475,000, this home is a steal of a deal, and what's more, you get this gorgeous backyard to enjoy with your family. So don't delay. Contact us today to find out more information about the open house, or call us for a private showing. We'd be happy to get you into your next home.